Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to today's mini-lecture on the limbic system. Today, we will delve into the intricacies of this fascinating brain region that plays a crucial role in our emotions, memory, and overall brain function. Let's begin our exploration. The functions of the limbic system can be remembered with the acronym CUM. The C stands for control of visceral functions. The O is for olfaction, which proceeds via a receptor through the cribriform plate to the olfactory bulbs, then olfactory areas. M is for memory. E is for emotion. Our first attempt to delineate emotional brain was the Pappas circuit, which is from thalamus to cortex to cingulate gyrus to hippocampus to fornix to mammillary bodies, which are bumps on undersurface of the brain, through the mammillothalamic tract and to the anterior nucleus of thalamus. Let's back up a moment and look at the limbic system as a whole. The limbic lobe was initially referred to as the border, aka limbus, encircling the upper brainstem, diencephalon, and corpus callosum. However, our understanding has evolved, and the limbic system is now generally recognized as three C-shaped sections: the limbic association cortex, the hippocampus and fornix, and the amygdaloid complex, including the amygdala and the stria terminalis. The limbic association cortex is composed of the cingulate gyrus and the parahippocampal gyrus. These regions, located in the frontal, parietal, and temporal lobes, play a crucial role in memory and emotional processing. The hippocampus, together with the fornix, is responsible for memory functions. The hippocampus is involved in declarative learning, while the fornix serves as a bidirectional pathway connecting the hippocampus to other limbic system structures. The hippocampal formation, consisting of the subiculum, hippocampus proper, Ammon's horn, and dentate gyrus, is crucial for memory formation and consolidation. Lesions in the hippocampus can result in anterograde amnesia. The hippocampus receives inputs from the interhinal cortex, limbic cortex, and the nucleus basilis of Maynard. Its outputs travel through the alveus, fimbriae, and fornix, which connect to various limbic system structures. The amygdaloid complex, including the amygdala, is a critical part of the limbic system. It is involved in various functions related to control of visceral functions, olfaction, and emotion, aka the C, O, and E of the acronym. Bilateral lesions of the amygdala can lead to difficulty recognizing fearful expressions and Kluver-Bucy syndrome, resulting in docility, hyperorality, and hypersexuality. Modern understanding of emotion involves the amygdala, orbital and medial prefrontal cortex, and the medial dorsal nucleus of the thalamus. The amygdala's subnuclei are involved in controlling emotional responses, olfaction, and the autonomic nervous system. The limbic system, particularly the Pappas circuit, plays a significant role in emotion. This circuit involves the thalamus, cortex, cingulate gyrus, hippocampus, fornix, mammillary bodies, and the anterior nucleus of the thalamus, just to review. The circuit plays a role in transferring emotional information from the thalamus to the cortex and is implicated in conditions like Alzheimer's disease. The limbic system and hippocampus are implicated in conditions such as temporal lobe epilepsy and Alzheimer's disease. Dysfunction in these regions can lead to memory impairments and emotional disturbances. The limbic system, with its intricate interconnections and functions, is a vital component of our brain. It influences our emotions, memory, and even our perception of smell. Understanding the limbic system enhances our knowledge of human cognition and behavior. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of the limbic system.